Hi, everybody. This is Joel Simmons for another 2-minute Turf Talk. I have the great pleasure of having with me Mr. Sam Ferro from Turf and Soil Diagnostics, and we've been talking physical testing. And as you folks know, we talk a lot about on the Turf Talk the three-legged stool. And as you can see here, the three-legged stool talks about chemistry, physics, and biology. We at EarthWorks feel very comfortable with chemistry because we do so many tests with Logan Labs, and our passion is soil biology, but physics is really the challenge. And we had the great pleasure of having Sam on the EarthWorks podcast. And I wanted to bring you here on the Turf Talk real quick. Sam, why is it so bloody important that everybody in the turf industry manages or at least understands the soil physics that they're dealing with?
Well, thanks again, Joel, for having me. Physical properties are kind of the base of how soils perform. Just kind of a brief overview, Joel and I have been talking about the particle size test. So particle size test addresses what is the composition of the soil, the sand, the silt, the clay content, and then breaks down, do we have large sand particles all the way down to very fine sand particles. So your sand gradation will affect your soil gradation, will affect how soil drains. It affects how it holds water, how it holds nutrients, how it releases soil gases up into the atmosphere, and how it
Very
allows
important.
oxygen down into the roots. So it is certainly an important leg of that stool. It's a bit more than just the particle size,
Yeah.
but that's really the particle size and your organic content are kind of the firm basis for how soil's going to perform. And that's what we do at Turf and Soil Diagnostics. We evaluate physical performance, how soil compacts, how it drains, and how it holds water and nutrients, and what airspace is available for the
It's
turf.
so important, certainly in construction, but you and I talked on the podcast, matching top dressing sand, a new superintendent or a new sports turf manager in a new property, taking a core sample so they can kind of get a feel for that. I mean, there's so many things that you bring to the table that, and you use the word insurance. I think it's a lot more valuable than that, but just having them understand what this is all about. I'm going to put your contact information up on here so that if people want to get a hold of you, but I am going to say very definitively, understanding soil physics is incredibly important. And Sam, thank you so much for being
Well,
with us today.
thank you, Joe.